I should have did the intro. I should have did an intro out here, y'all. So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm at Goodwill because I just need to do some stress shopping because my stress level is so high and I've had so much going on, y'all. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm at like a 40. So I'm at the point where I'm about to start shaking, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, I need to relieve some stress. So I came to Goodwill and we gonna look around and see what they have because I just love Goodwill, okay? And Kai is at home with his dad. So anyways, we're about to get started and we're about to go into the Goodwill. So hopefully we find some good stuff today. Y'all, I wish so badly that I could wear heels. These would be cute if they were closed-toed. But I wish I could wear heels, but my I'm just not stable enough. I'm too clumsy. I ain't even gonna lie. But look at these. Ooh. And these, do they got a price on them? Let's see. Oh, those are just $5.99. Not bad. They have some really cute shoes here. This is my favorite Goodwill. They have the best shoes. I'm looking for like some ankle boots because my zipper broke on my other ankle boots. So, oh, the cutest for $5. I really wish I could wear heels. I might buy them just to take pictures. Dang, they're $7. I was gonna say I might buy them just to take pictures in, but never mind. So I don't see the style boots I want. So I'm just gonna keep looking. Oh, these are cute. Those are cute. What size are they? Alright, y'all. So I'm over here with the purses. Oh, and I got these little slippers. They're still in the pack, y'all. They're 99¢. I got those for trade. Ooh, cute. And this still has the tag on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that. It's cute. Look at this. Purse. Crossbody. And it don't show the price, but it's $4.99 here. Nice. In the buggy it goes. Alright, y'all, so I'm in the baby section and I just got this for Kai because I love these little things, and last time I was here I got him one and it was so nice. But this is $2. So I'm gonna look. I love him to have little stuff like this because in the winter we ain't gonna be going anywhere. He can run around the house in this. And also what I do is make sure if you get clothes from Goodwill or a yard sale or any type of store that's thrifty, you want to wash it before you put it on yourself or your baby. That's just what I do. I hope y'all will do that too. But yeah. Also, if you're a reader, they have tons of books. This is the one in Tyrone. So this is the Goodwill in Tyrone. And they have tons of books. Tons of books. Y'all, look what I just stumbled across. This is the steamer, y'all. This is what I need in order to get my backdrops to be more, what do you call it? Like to get the wrinkles out. And it's only $8.99, y'all. So I'm gonna look in it to make sure it has everything in it. And if it does, yo, I'm getting it, y'all. And it's new, like, it's new. I'm getting it. Alright, y'all, so I am going to the clothes next, and I'm gonna start with the pants because I never start with the pants. So I'm gonna start with the pants and go to the shirts. But I've already found some cute stuff. But yeah. Alright, y'all, so that is it for this Goodwill vlog. This will be Vlogmas Day 4 video, I think. And with Vlogmas, y'all, I'm kind of doing it, but I'm kind of not. So if y'all see like Vlogmas remix or something as like the title of a video, just know that that's my Vlogmas day, my Vlogmas video for the day. It might not be a vlog, it might be a remix, it might be, you know, me putting on makeup or me reviewing something, but I'm gonna try to get y'all these videos out like I was a couple weeks ago. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I am gonna do a haul with all the stuff that I got. That's why I didn't really show y'all everything I got, because I'm gonna do a haul and a try on. So anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.